What is the noise? Who is making the noise? Oh. It is morning time. Morning time. The birds are singing. It is morning time. Morning time. The birds are singing. We can sing too. Like when the violin goes bling bling. Let us sing. Violin, violin, play, play. Won't you play for us today? Violin goes bling, bling. Come little children, sing, sing. We can sing just like the birds sing. Which bird sings first in the morning? The rooster. The rooster sings first in the morning. Look! This is a rooster. This is a rooster. The rooster is a boy chicken. The rooster has long feathers. The rooster is a bird. It is the first bird to sing in the morning. It sings cock-a-doodle-doo. This is a rooster. The rooster is a bird. The rooster sings first in the morning. It is the first bird to sing in the morning. Where do the birds live? They don't live in my house. They live in the trees. Look! This is a nest. The nest is the home of the bird. The birds live in the trees. They make a nest in the trees. Their home is a nest. What do the birds eat? They eat the fruit and nuts in the trees. Let's sing our song. Way up high in the apple tree, 2 little apples smiled at me. I shook that tree as hard as I could. Down came the apples, they were good. Way up high in the apple tree, 2 little apples smiled at me. We have lots of fruit for the birds to eat and for us to eat. The birds help us. I know a bird that gives us something. Look! This is a hen. The hen is a bird. The hen is a girl chicken. The rooster is the boy chicken. The hen helps us. The hen gives us eggs. The hen says cluck, 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 cluck. Hens are many colours. There are white hens, black hens and brown hens. The hen gives us eggs. The hen is a bird. These are ducks.
Ducks are birds. Ducks can swim in the water. Ducks live on land and like to swim in the water. Ducks say quack, quack, quack. Ducks help us. Ducks give us eggs. Ducks can be many different colours: black, white, or brown. These are ducks. Ducks are birds.
A hen gives us eggs and a duck gives us eggs. But another bird gives us eggs too. You know, it is small, a small bird that walks on the ground. Look!
This is a quail. The quail is a bird. Quail are small birds. They give us eggs. They give us small eggs. These are quail. Quail can fly and walk along the ground. Quail are birds.
The hen gives us eggs, the duck gives us eggs, and the quail gives us eggs. Does the rooster give us eggs? No, it is a boy chicken. The hen is a girl chicken, so it gives us eggs. Some birds help us and give us things. The crow takes our food away. Look at the crow.
This is a crow. A crow is a bird. The crow is good at taking our food. The crow has black feathers. The crow makes lots of noise. These are crows. They are eating food from the ground. The crow flies away quickly. These are crows. A crow is a bird.
We saw a hen and a duck and a quail. What do these birds give us? Eggs, eggs. And we saw a rooster. The rooster is the first bird to sing in the morning. And we saw a crow. A crow. What color is a crow? Black, black. The crow will take our food. We must be careful. These are birds, birds. Goodbye, everyone.
This is a rooster. A rooster is a bird. This is a hen. A hen is a bird. This is a duck. A duck is a bird. This is a quail. A quail is a bird. This is a crow. A crow is a bird. These are birds. Which bird is the first to sing in the morning? The rooster. Which birds give us eggs? The hen, the duck, and the quail. These are birds.